Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add widgets to your home screen in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to add widgets to your home screen, so let's see how can you do that. Just keep a long plus on an empty place. Select widgets from here, and here you will get different widgets. You just have to select which one you want to add to your home screen. As I'm going to select weather widget from here, just select the widget type which you want to add. As I'm going to add this one, just tap on it, then tap on it again to add it to your home screen. You can easily move it to your home screen from anyone. I'm going to put it here, just like that. So now I'm going to add as another widget. Just keep a long press on empty place. Select widgets. Select the widget you want to add. I'm going to select clock. Select that. Then select the widget type. Keep a long press on it, and you can easily select add widget here. So that's how you can easily add widgets to your home screen in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.